I don't want to date you, but I don't want you to see other people as well. Now, you might have heard such statements from men who don't want to commit to you, but at the same time, they don't want to let go of you. They don't want you to form relationships with other men. And the reason why men do this is not because they are emotionally unavailable or because their families won't agree or any reason that they tell you, but it is because they think of you as an option. They think that you are not worth of a commitment, because if a man genuinely wants to commit, no matter what situation he has in your life or no matter how many challenges he has in his life, he will commit to you. He will fight his family, he will change his jobs, and he will do literally every single thing just to be with you. And the reason why men think of you as an option in the first place is because of your actions, is because you are too understanding of his situation. If he is not in the emotional right space, you think that, oh, you know what, if I just be patient and if I just, be very supportive of him, he will then see my value and then he will accept me. Or any disrespect that he throws at you, you might just accept it because you think that, oh, since he's not in the emotionally right mind space, I understand, like, I will support him through this hard journey of his. And then you wanting to fix him, and in that process you take every negative thing he throws at you. And when you tolerate all of this bullshit over and over again without any repercussions to him, then he starts to think of you as an option because he thinks that you have zero self respect, and no matter what he does to you, you will just keep coming back to him. And that is how he starts thinking of you as an option, and he keeps you around without any commitment. Now, this is a problem. So, how do you identify when a man genuinely wants to be with you? Like, what are the signs? Now, here are three signs that actually tell you that a man genuinely wants to be with you. Now, more than three signs, these are just three categories that men keep you whenever they look at you. The first category is the pathetic phase, and this is the phase most of the women are into. Now, in the pathetic phase, a man will just look at you and he will think that, you know what, I can just be with her for the time being and keep her around as an option. And when you are in this category, you will see signs that he does not want to commit to you, but he still wants you to be with him. He doesn't want you to see other men. So the next time you're talking to any man and he says that, you know what, I'm not in the emotionally right headspace, or I'm just having a lot to deal with, or there is a lot on my plate, then just know that he is putting you in this first category. That is the pathetic category. Now, the second category is the dating category. Now, here, when a man looks at you, he just wants to date you. Even if he knows nothing about you, he will just look at you and he will think, you know what, I want to give it a shot with this person. And then he will just commit to you. Like, it will not even take first date for him to commit to you, because he will genuinely want to be with you. And the signs that you will see that you are in this category is that when a man immediately wants to commit to you and he shows all the right signs, he is available, he wants to talk to you all the time, and he does not look at other women. But again, be a little careful, because there are some guys who will love bomb you. That is, they will put a lot of efforts just for a short time and then just leave you. So, the thing that you need to look out for is look for his consistency in his actions. Wait for a certain time, wait for at least 3 months before doing anything major, because it takes 3 months to know what someone is actually like. Because in the first 3 months, people just pretend, and because of all the hormones, they are at their best behaviors. So wait for 3 months before doing anything major, and then make up your mind whether you want to date this guy or you want to leave this guy. So the next time a guy tells you that, you know what, let's just start dating, and that too after your first date, then don't feel flattered. Instead, think rationally and tell him that I really enjoyed our date, but let's get to know each other first. And wait for at least 3 months. And in these 3 months, see if his actions are consistent, and just focus on his actions and not his words. Now, the third and the final category, and this is something that actually happens. This is not a fairy tale. Like, this really happens. So, the third category is marriage category. Here, when a guy looks at you, he just wants to marry you. Like, he will just take your hand and just go to any temple and just get married to you. And I am not making this up. As a guy, this is something that is 100% true. I have someone which, like, she's a anime character, but it still counts. So I genuinely think if that anime character comes alive, then I will just go, I will take her to a temple, and right now I will marry her. And guys are like that. There are few guys who do think like this, who just look at you and they just want to marry you. They know nothing about you, but they still want to marry you. Now, this rarely happens, like, very rarely happens. But if you meet a guy who thinks like this about you, then chances are that he genuinely wants to marry you and commit to you, because he is afraid that if anyone else looks at you, they will commit to you. And because of that fear, he wants to give you the ultimate commitment. And the things that you need to look out for here are, again, his actions. Don't immediately jump into marriage, rather, just see his actions and how consistent they are over a long period of time, at least 6 months or 9 months. And after that, if you feel that this guy is telling the truth, then do what you feel like. And most of the things that I told you and shared with you right now come from a guy's perspective. Like, this is my perspective and how I think. And I think most of the guys will agree to this. So take it with a grain of salt, and let me know what you think.